not come because she is not well. So when the star is not well, we have to bear with it. So better we will become well. So we'll compensate, don't worry. Only thing we are waiting for the writer because he's overwhelmed by the whole reception.
He's going to set his hair.
Even I'm like, I didn't expect that many cameras. But yes.
CC is with us. CC. Call CC.
So anyway, first thing is that the spirit of the Celebrate Cinema, the purpose of the Celebrate Cinema is being in touch with all the younger generation who are students and who are not students, but aspirants to become filmmaker, aspiring to know the art and technique of cinema, the cinema language. So we create this opportunity for 2-3 days. They are welcome to the Western Woods and to see and attend how many classes? 110 classes, workshops in 3 days on each and every subject of cinema. And you must understand there are 42 art and craft in making a film. But we have kept the workshop for the children from the urban area, from the rural area, from the slum area. So they are all coming here. And it has been patronized by the big producers, directors, experts like Mr. Bonnie Kapoor, the director of Mom, the writer of the Mom. So every day, tomorrow is Rakesh Mehra coming, a few stars coming there. All the experts from the different departments of cinema coming. So it is a great enlightening exercise. And this is initiated by my daughter Meghna every year. And she does a wonderful job. You will see. And I hope that all of you can attend this and you will understand the value and the in-depth substance and meaning about the whole Celebrate Cinema. अब आप कहेंगे कि Celebrate Cinema तो YouTube में भी देख सकते हैं, नेट पे भी देख सकते हैं, आप हर चीज़ नेट देख सकते हैं, ताज भी देख सकते हैं, फिल्म भी देख, लेकिन फिर ताज क्यों जाते हैं? फिल्म भी देख सकते हैं, फिर थिएटर क्यों जाते हैं? और फिर उन लोगों से क्यों मिलना चाहते हैं जो स्टार्स हैं या डायरेक्टर्स हैं या प्रोड्यूसर हैं? बिकॉज आप उनकी ज़बानी, उनके हाव भाव, उनकी दिल की बातें सुनना चाहते हैं. So that is called a big personal touch and in-person study. This is most important. Otherwise, तो ना स्कूल होते ना कॉलेजेस होते, तो नेट ही होगा, right? So I am very thankful to the unit of moms. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Monish, for coming. And I wish श्री जी होती तो जरा 4 चांद और लग जाते हैं. लेकिन डोंट वरी, हम चारों सूरज हैं काफ़ी हमारे लिए, बिकॉज हमारी भी मेहनत बहुत सालों की है और हम भी कुछ बातें कर सकते हैं. और अब मैं मोदी जी से कहूँगा कि थोड़ा सा एनलाइटन करें अपने मॉम पिक्चर के बारे में कि कैसे शुरू हुई, ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसे बना और फिर ये उसकी यात्रा आखिर में तो सफल हुई, सबको पता है.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी. सिनेमा के बारे में सुभाष जी ने आपको काफ़ी कुछ दिखाया भी है और अभी कुछ बताया भी, जो प्रोग्रेस कर रही है इनकी इंस्टीट्यूट वेस्टर्न वुड्स. इट हैज़, आई फील इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर everybody in India, everybody abroad too who wish to learn the craft of filmmaking. In fact, this is one university, I would call it university, where you get all aspects of filmmaking, you can learn all aspects of filmmaking under one umbrella. And that too under the patronage of no one better than Subhash Ghai, who is helming this institute and supported by his able daughter Meghna. And of course the team, they've got a very capable team. I've heard so much about it. In fact, I've met so many students who passed out from here and they're all very bright. Some of them have already made a bright future. The last being Shashank Khaitan, who made Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya. He's also passed out from this institute. And today this is an example of what filmmaking is all about, to teach in a proper manner. Earlier people used to just come and join some directors or writers or music directors to learn the art or learn the craft in the various aspects of filmmaking. Here under one roof you can learn everything, and then for experience you can join various aspects of filmmaking. You know, you could join the director, learn to have a first-hand view. You can join a DOP, you can join a music director, you can join the editor. I mean, there are so many other aspects of, as he said, there are 42 crafts. So all these crafts can be experienced while, you know, working with these heads of these respective departments in various films. Now coming to Mom. Mom is a special film for all of us. This was a small idea which was mooted by a friend of ours, which I shared with Ravi. Kona had narrated this small idea in New York to me. I came back to India, this was sometime back in 2013. I came back to India, I discussed it with Ravi. This is the plot, and there is some kind of he said, I will work on this, I like the characters, but I'll make my own screenplay. I'll work on this myself. He brought in Girish. Now Ravi has been a very prolific ad filmmaker. Girish has been writing for quite some time, but this was one journey which has basically begun his writing career. He's written several scripts. They're all very good, but he's become too expensive for me to approach him.
That's what producer speaks.
He's doing several other projects. He's bypassed me, but nevertheless I wish him well. It was basically collaboration of Ravi and Girish on all fronts, right from the inception, right from the word go. I mean, they just had two characters, mother and stepdaughter. The rest of all what you see on screen or what all you see has been worked out with between the two of them. And they took almost 6-8 months to come out with the first draft, and I said, now with this first draft you've got to convince the main protagonist, that's Sridevi, my wife. I said, although she's my wife, but I don't have the clout to convince her to do the film without really sharing what the film is all about. So it was left to Ravi and Girish to narrate the subject to her. Fortunately, she gave a nod. That was the first draft, but she had some observations which Ravi and Girish agreed. Then they started probably reworking on the whole aspects which were discussed in that particular meeting. But they were all in the same, it was in the parameters of what Ravi and Girish had worked out. They worked out several drafts. In fact, what we shot finally was the 16th or the 17th draft. That's how hard they worked on the script. Every detailing, we had continuous discussions for almost a year before we went on to shoot the film. It was a tireless journey for them, and I'll come to that. The tireless journey was not just to make the script. Convincing actors to do their parts also is one important aspect of filmmaking. I think rest of it Ravi and Girish can share with you. I've said enough. I pass the baton to them. Continue, Ravi.
Ravi, the director, please give a big hand.
Ravi Udyawar. He's basically originally a gold medalist from Xavier School of Arts. He's won 7 gold medals. He's an artist. He's a painter. He's a cartoonist. He's an illustrator. Rest of it you see.
I think I should put a full stop now. It's quite long. So,
in fact, if you've seen the film, the art gallery, all the canvases in the art gallery, all were done by him personally.
Wow.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. So yeah, I think Sir has put it, he's put it out there. So I remember meeting him for the first time, and the seed of an idea was discussed, and I said it's exciting with mother and daughter conflict, and to me it's an amazing bond if I can put a conflict to it. And I always told him, let's make a relevant story. Let's make a story of us as a society, what's happening around us. And he agreed that vision, and he said, okay, this is exciting, let's get on with it. And that's when we met, and we said, okay, let's get into writing it, because even though it feels like a very simple story, but it's the characters and what's going to happen with them is what gonna hook the people and the audience. So yeah, that's how it started, and we spent, like Sir said, we spent a lot of time because it's important to spend time, to do the best for your film. And yeah, it was interesting, and yeah, filmmaking is a long, it's a long journey. You meet an actor and convince them, and you go through their point of view. You try to sell your point of view. It's not an easy task, but I think if you believe in your material, if you're convinced about your idea, and everything else just happens, they fall into place. So yeah, I'm really lucky because he's like truly a director's producer, and everything was great because you walk in and he made sure that I've got what I wanted. From obviously Ma'am, Nawaz, Akshay, even my secondary characters, I think we spent a lot of time detailing each character, with Girish. Like all characters have a backstory, even though you don't see it in the film, sir. It's like where they come from. So we've gone to details like that, and that's how we worked on this film, and the result is there.
And the auditioning. Ravi auditioned more than 100 girls for the stepdaughter role.
Yeah, it was tough. It was really tough because
you can get a real daughter, but stepdaughter is very difficult.
And plus, I wanted somebody who can, do a face-off with Ma'am. Ma'am being doing a 300 film. With the kind of experience she's carrying, I wanted someone who can, deliver, be on par. I think Sajal delivered that. Pass it on.
So Girish ji, the writer, Mom.
In fact, our auditions.
थोड़ा चेयर सब इधर कर लेंगे तो मैं
Yeah. So all the auditions of all the characters, the scenes we wrote, it was a different scene written to understand how they perform. So we wrote, that's a different script altogether, just for the audition. And so we wrote it, okay, if this is the character, let's not give him this. And let's work a story and let's give him, it's a different audition. So they were auditioning for something which wasn't there in the film, and that's how we picked them. Very interesting.
In fact, the smallest of the characters also was picked up after going through some major exercise. Babu Ram's character, who's playing the security man. I mean, although it's a small role, but it's an important role. Ravi and Girish were very keen to cast one particular actor.
Yeah, in fact, we waited for him. Yeah. He was traveling.
He was not available to either.
So that's what only a great producer who understands the vision, he said, okay, wait. If you want him, we'll make it happen. So that's how it happened. And
we turned the whole schedule around to see that we get that guy.
So yeah, I mean,
this
scene, if you see it, it's not that lengthy.
So now I would like you to question, please, because we have to proceed for the show for the inauguration point of it. So it was a brief meeting between us, but there is going to be master class followed by the heavies and all this. So please ask questions.
Sir, tell us your contribution and your association with the institute, and also some message to the student.
Well, my contribution is only my support to this institute and my love and affection and respect for Subhashji, my love and respect for Meghna. They've put up this magnificent institute. I mean, anything I say would fall short of what I feel about the entire effort that they've put in to put up this great institute. Well, you've got a fantastic facility, utilize it to the hilt, and make sure you make Subhash Ghai and his institute, and of course Meghna and the team, proud of what they've offered you on a platter, to take their career forward, to make something out of all what they've learned from here, to achieve something, and make sure the institute shines and more students gain from all what has been created by Mr. Rai.
स्वाद सर, ऐसा देखा जाता है कि पहले जो सिनेमा होती थी वो उनके डायलॉग्स, उनके गाने, उनके हर एक चीज़ को हम जहन में रखते थे। अभी भी हम उसका उच्चारण करते हैं, उसके गुनगुनाते हैं गाने। लेकिन अभी का जो मूवी बन रहा है उस पर क्या कहेंगे कि वो उस चीज़ को याद क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? क्या वो कम्युनिकेशन गैप है या फिर वो अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट की ये नहीं?
किसी भी पुत्र ने अपने पिता की कॉपी नहीं की है। हर जनरेशन में एक अपनी नई सेंसिबिलिटी आती है, नई सेंसिटिविटी आती है, सोशल फैब्रिक्स आते हैं। हर बार सिनेमा चेंज हुआ है। जब हम भी नए यंगस्टर थे तो हमें भी कहा जाता था कि उस तरह की फिल्में क्यों नहीं बनाते, प्यासा की तरह वैसे। उसी तरह से हर समय 30 साल के बाद 20 साल के बाद एक साइकिल चलती है। आज की साइकिल के हिसाब से जो फिल्म बना रहे हैं ये लोग, इतनी अच्छी फिल्में बना रहे हैं कि मैं खुद हैरान होता हूँ, बहुत खुश होता हूँ उन्हें देख के. Their sense of cinema compositions and the taking the story forward, the way the Girish and Ravi have taken. And I would say that the real hero is the producer, director and the writer. अगर आप लोग ये समझ जाएं तो आपको स्टार की कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ये लोग हैं जिन्होंने मॉम बनाई है, MOM. बाकी तो आर्टिस्ट हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं.
तो मतलब आप मानते हैं कि जो अभी की जो सिनेमा होती है, चाहे हम बात कर ले शुभ मंगल सावधान की, वो कंटेंट बेस्ड एक मूवी है, तो स्टार को देख के मूवी देखने आ रहे हैं या अभी कंटेंट को
पहले भी ऐसा था, आज भी ऐसा है. पहले भी अर्थ सत्य बनती थी, पैरेलल सिनेमा था, स्मॉल बजट फिल्म बनती थी, बड़ी फिल्में बनती थी. आज भी बड़ी फिल्में भी बनती हैं, छोटी बजट भी फिल्म बनती हैं, पैरेलल सिनेमा भी है. न्यू इश्यूज, न्यू सब्जेक्ट, न्यू कैरेक्टर्स का एक्सपेरिमेंट करने को हमको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं. एंड द टैलेंट लाइक देम, they really exploit the right kind of a opportunity and present a new kind of a cinema and new kind of stories, which is beautiful thing, which is a progressing.
See, content has always been the king.
Yes.
In the early 60s, संगम लगी थी, साथ में दोस्ती लगी थी.
जी.
संगम कलर पिक्चर थी, it was on a huge scale. साथ में दोस्ती लगी थी. उस जमाने में कलर के जमाने में ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर आई थी. With new star का.
Same business.
And it was a phenomenal hit. Same शोले के साथ जय संतोषी मां लगी थी. तो जय संतोषी मां तो कोई स्टार का सीन नहीं है. Good content will always have. Stars are like center forwards. They can score a goal. But sometimes when the players are so good, they don't need center forwards. So that's basically the essence how a content can reach a wider audience.
Our question?
अब जैसे आपने कहा कि श्रीदेवी भी आपसे भी स्क्रिप्ट देखती थी, किस तरह की स्क्रिप्ट
देखती नहीं थी, सुनती थी.
जी, सुनती थी, सारी चीजें देखती थी. तो कितना आप जानवी लॉन्च हो रही है, कई खबरें आ रही हैं कि वो करण जौहर के होम प्रोडक्शन से आ रही हैं, आपकी होम प्रोडक्शन, रियल न्यूज़ क्या है और आप कितना स्क्रिप्ट पर ध्यान देंगे अगर वो लॉन्च होती है, किस तरह की?
देखिए, जानवी श्री से पहले अनिल भी मेरे जो छोटे भाई हैं, उनके साथ भी मैं क्लोजली एसोसिएट रहा हूँ. स्क्रिप्ट के मामले में मैंने खाली अपना व्यू दिया, काम उन्होंने करना है, कैमरा उन्होंने फेस करना है, डायरेक्टर को उनको मिलना है, राइटर को उनको मतलब राइटर से इंटरैक्ट करना है. तो दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच दे हैव गॉट टू डिसाइड, दे हैव गॉट टू बी कन्विंस्ड, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी ऑन द सेट एवरी डे. दे आर गोइंग टू फेस द कैमरा, दे आर गोइंग टू इंटरैक्ट विद द डायरेक्टर, writer, everybody else connected to the filmmaking. So it's entirely left to them. As a senior, as an elder, as an experienced person, I can only give my views. But they have their own views. They're matured enough, and they are children of today's world. So things have got to be left to them too. Likewise, we've got to respect even the other actors, be it my wife, be it anybody else.
He is a free hand to the director. I think Boni Kapoor is one of the best producers in India. आप इनको अगर एक स्टोरी सुनाइए कि एक गली की कहानी है, तो इनको ऐसा लगता है कि 6 गलियां और भी होनी चाहिए.
Looking at he has a story, if he likes it, फिर उसके पीछे पड़ जाएंगे. ये बनानी ऐसे नहीं कि 10 कहानियां जो तुक्का लग गया बन गई तो
ये भाई cautious.
अब मुझे ही पता है कि कैसे नवाज को हमने चेंज किया था.
नहीं, इन्होंने कहा चाहिए तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, you'll get it.
Thank you very much and let's go now. We are starting.
लास्ट सवाल है.